leave me a comment down below. Say hi. Have you worked out? What did you eat today? You know, how you doing? Morning. Everybody, welcome to the vlog. Good morning. Say hello, Nana. Hello. As I'm chewing on an apple. 맛있지? This is what? Broccoli. You wanna try some? You do? You want to try? Yeah. Give me a little piece. No? Okay. And then later I'll sprinkle some cheese and some sauce. Okay, so wait. Now let's go watch TV. Let's go. My Pedro. Guys, I just finished my workout. I'm not understanding. What just happened? My body is wandering as well. Bye-bye. I hope you guys do your workout today. Remember to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I haven't felt like this in a very long time. I feel like I was running. Wait. Do it when you're laying down.
Are you okay?
Yes. Now wiggle. You feel more hot with the vibration. Oh. Stay still like 10 seconds. And you should be okay. But you may not be able to hold it. Mommy, is it hot?
It's nice.
Are you sure? It's not hot? Oh my god.
Holding for like 5 more seconds.
Okay.
Okay, you feel still hot, then I will help you.
This is the rice enzyme therapy. Guys, I didn't know that it heats up. It literally heats up by itself. They don't have a heating system in here. It's really so cool. They say sitting here for 15 minutes is like walking for like an hour or exercising for like an hour. So wow, it's really amazing. That's enough. Just left the daycare. Guys, are you still here? If you're still here, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like. I really appreciate that. Well, anyway guys, have you worked out? Have you worked out today? If you haven't, why not? Why haven't you worked out? Like, what's going on? Get up and work out. You know, it's not easy, but it's something that's gonna be done. And sometimes you just need a reminder to just get up and do what you need to do. So if you haven't worked out, or if you got off your journey and you're not back on it as yet, get back on it. Get back on it and do what you need to do. And eat the salads. Ooh. I just want to eat chicken right now, but here I am eating salad. And it's quite filling. Oops. It's just veggies and nothing special. So guys, I hope that you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, and evening, wherever you are. I'm a bit quiet because my baby is asleep and I do not want anybody waking up right now. I need to rest. So leave me a comment down below. Say hi. Have you worked out? What did you eat today? You know, how you doing? Just let me know how you're doing and I'll definitely respond. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Dog. The first one goes out to Poloko and Tameso, guys. She is also a content creator. She is currently on a pregnancy journey. Guys, go check out the channel. I'll link it down in the description box if you would like to. But this is just to say thank you, sis, for watching my videos. I appreciate you. Also, Amina Gill, alright? She has been subscribed to my channel for the longest of time. She supports me fully and I really appreciate her. She's also actually a content creator, guys. She has her own Amina Gill channel and then she's got Cooking with Ayo. Ooh, I'll link her videos. I'll link her channel page also in the description box. But she does really great cooking videos, and if you want the basics and stuff like that, that's the channel to follow. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you. Hugs. Thank you. I appreciate you, and I want to do this more constantly because there's some people that watch my videos, and I just want to show that I really appreciate you. So I'll be giving you some shout outs every now and then, and yeah, just know I love you so much. Thank you so much. Goodbye.